Super cute and so easy to make. Candy cane earrings. Put a little cheer in your holiday. To get started making these earrings, you will need 2 pieces of wire, and I cut these 11 inches and they are 22 gauge wire. This is red crystals. These are 4 millimeters, and I need 12 of these. I need 2 small bicones. These are 3 millimeters. I need 10 beads. These are white moonstone, but you can use any white beads that you have. 2 jump rings that are 7 millimeters. 2 earring wires, and for tools you'll need your flush cutters, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and your 6-step looper. I already did one side, so I'm going to show you how to do the other side. Okay, so let's start putting the earring together. First we're going to use our little crystal bicone. Put that at the bottom. Then we're going to add our red crystal, our white moonstone, and just keep going up until we alternate and finish all the colors. So then we have a string like this. Then what I'm going to do is take my end and I'm going to make an ending here, just using my round nose pliers, bending it to stop the bead from falling off, like that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what to do with this big piece of wire. My bail making pliers I'm going to use, so I'm calling this step number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use the 4th step. So I'm going to put my wire in and I'm going to start rolling it around until I've used up most of my wire. We probably won't use all of this wire, but I'm just making a long piece just in case, because we want one continuous wire to be wrapped around our crystals. I don't want to have a break in it. Okay, then we're going to have our spiral that looks like this. So what we're going to do is use our fingernails and pull it apart like that. And then we're going to take our beaded head pin and we're going to push it through. And if there's one section that's tighter, you can use your fingernails and just unroll the coil to push it through your beads, to push your beads through your coil. And just keep going. What I'm going to do is take the very end of the wire and I'm going to put it in between the red crystal and the white bead and push it down. Using my candy cane that I already made as a guide, I'm going to match it up and see where I started my bend. And then I'm going to slowly bend it to match my first one, my first candy cane. And then with this wire, I'm going to come around and end it right on top of the bicone. And I'm going to pinch that in. I opened up my jump ring. Now I'm going to hook it on the back of the second white bead. And then I'm going to put on my earring wire. And then close it up. And there you have your festive candy cane earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.